Hello, welcome to week 2. This week we are looking at botanical art and we're going to be doing some drawings of plants and flowers. Now all you need for today is a pen, pencil and some white A4 paper, and you need a flower or a plant to draw from, so ideally something that's real that you can look at. If not, what I'm going to do, because the magnolia has died since that frost we had the other week, so I'm going to be drawing from some photos. So first of all, we're going to do some drawing exercises to loosen you up. Some of you have done these before, but if not, I'm going to do these along with you. So the first one is a timed drawing, so you need to have a stopwatch to hand, and you're going to just time yourself and give yourself a very short amount of time just to really loosen up. I'm using a felt tip pen because I'm worried you won't see what I'm doing otherwise. So the first exercise is just to do a 2-minute contour line drawing of your plant or flower. So let's go. So you don't want to get too worried about detail. You've only got a very short amount of time, so just get down the basic shapes and the information so that you can just about see what it is you're trying to convey. Okay, and my time's up. So there we go, we've just got a 2-minute drawing there. The next one you're going to do is a 1 minute, then 30 seconds, and then 5 seconds, which is really fast. So to be able to just quickly get those lines down before your time runs out is your challenge. Okay, so the second exercise is doing a blind drawing. If you haven't done one of these before, this is where you don't look at your drawing, you just look at the image or your still life. So it's quite hard. If you haven't done it before, you might need to cover your paper with another sheet of paper. You've just got to trust your hand. Don't worry about the results. It's all about the hand-eye coordination. So I'm just going to get myself a new sheet of paper up and quickly demonstrate to you a blind drawing. So I'm only looking at this. In fact, I'm going to put it over here so I'm not tempted to look at the paper. Okay, so it's hanging here. And off we go. So if you lose your way, don't worry. What you're doing here is you're following the contours of the petals and the leaves, and you're observing. So you're spending more time looking at the image than you are at your page, which you should do anyway when you're drawing normally. Okay, I'm just going to stop there. Okay, so this is my drawing. It may look nothing like your flower or plant, but there'll be some parts to it that actually do resemble the shapes that you're wanting. And you know, you don't have to worry how this turns out. This is a really good exercise just to get you looking, and that's the most important thing. Okay, the third drawing exercise is with your opposite hand. So if you normally write with your right hand, put your pen in your left. If you're left-handed, swap the other way around. And we're going to do another drawing with your wrong hand. Okay, I'm going to use the same sheet of paper. I'm going to put my picture back here because you're allowed to look this time. And this time it just makes you really focus and concentrate, because you have less control. So your pen moves, or pencil moves really slowly, but quite often, because you're using the wrong hand, makes you pay much more attention to the shapes and the lines than perhaps you normally would. Okay, you can go on for as long as you like with this. There's no time restrictions. You may want to do more than one. Okay, so there's my left hand. So you might also want to write on here which drawing is which, so when you're looking back through your sketchbook you can remember that these were part of your drawing exercises. Okay, and the last one that we're going to do is a continuous line drawing. So I'm just going to turn the paper over, and this time you're going to draw without taking your pen off the paper. So even if you want to, don't. So here we go, we're going up here. You'll find that you'll be overlapping some areas. That's okay. Just keep going. Rectify any mistakes in the shapes. I think my pen's running out. Okay, so you could go on, you know, don't, again, you don't need any time limits with this, you could go on for as long as you like. So these are really good drawing exercises to get you loosened up, ready for your now final observation drawing, which hopefully after you've done all these exercises you feel like you'll know your plant or flower much better, and you can spend more time, and you can add in tone and shade if you want to. Don't worry about colour, we're going to be moving on to colour next week. So this week I just want you to focus on black and white and really, really looking at your flower or plant. So I'm going to do a quick video of my next drawing, but I hope you enjoy the exercises and they get you loosened up and ready to do your final observation piece. So I look forward to seeing how you get on. Bye.